Welcome to today's video about D-DP-DS-01 Dell PowerProtect Solutions Design Exam. What is Dell PowerProtect Solutions Design Exam? Who should take the D-DP-DS-01 exam? D-DP-DS-01 exam information. The D-DP-DS-01 exam evaluates 4 major skill areas. Best study tips for D-DP-DS-01 exam. 1. A solution architect is preparing a PowerProtect proposal for an enterprise organization. During the discovery phase, several departments provide different priorities, including reducing downtime, improving compliance, and controlling operational costs. Which activity should the architect perform first to create an effective solution design? A. Select PowerProtect hardware based on existing storage capacity. B. Map business objectives and technical requirements into solution criteria. C. Compare competitor products based on available features. D. Create a deployment plan before understanding workload requirements. 2. An organization wants to modernize its backup environment because recovery operations are inconsistent across multiple applications. Which information is most important for the architect to collect during the assessment phase? A. Application workload characteristics, recovery requirements, and existing protection processes. B. Number of employees using the backup platform. C. Preferred communication methods between IT teams. D. Current vendor marketing agreements. 3. A financial services company requires a new data protection solution due to strict regulatory requirements. Which requirement should influence the PowerProtect solution design? A. Office location preferences. B. Internal software naming standards. C. Compliance policies and data governance requirements. D. Employee hardware preferences. 4. A solution architect is selecting Dell PowerProtect technologies for a healthcare organization. Which factor should have the greatest influence on product selection? A. Alignment between solution capabilities and customer requirements. B. Availability of unused hardware inventory. C. Similarity to previous customer deployments. D. Product appearance and interface design. 5. A customer is evaluating 2 data protection solutions. One has a lower purchase cost, while the other provides improved automation and operational efficiency. How should the architect compare these solutions? A. Focus on licensing cost without considering long-term value. B. Select the solution with the lowest initial price. C. Compare product specifications without operational impact. D. Evaluate total cost of ownership and business benefits. 6. A competitor's solution is currently deployed in an organization's environment. The customer requests a Dell PowerProtect recommendation. What should the architect evaluate? A. Competitor product advertisements. B. Existing architecture capabilities, limitations, and opportunities for improvement. C. Hardware colors and physical design. D. Internal competitor organization structure. 7. A customer wants to understand how a proposed PowerProtect solution supports business continuity. Which information should the architect present? A. Recovery capabilities, resilience features, and alignment with business objectives. B. Product specifications without business context. C. Hardware installation procedures. D. Internal configuration commands. 8. A solution proposal must satisfy technical requirements while also meeting financial expectations. Which framework helps the architect organize these requirements? A. Network topology documentation. B. Hardware inventory classification. C. Product release comparison. D. Business, technical, operational, and financial (BTOF) analysis. 9. During a solution review, stakeholders question whether the proposed design can support future business growth. What should the architect demonstrate? A. Number of existing product manuals. B. Current hardware availability. C. Architecture scalability, capacity planning approach, and expansion options. D. Vendor support contact information. 10. A solution architect completes customer discovery, analysis, and design activities. What is the primary objective of the final solution presentation? A. Focus exclusively on implementation tasks. B. Present product specifications without recommendations. C. Replace customer requirements with standard templates. D. Demonstrate how the PowerProtect architecture satisfies customer business and technical goals. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe PassCert for more IT exam prep.